Congratulations again on your hydro bag. This is a little bit about assembly. This is the drain plug that has to be installed into the bottom of the unit. It simply just unscrews, and there's two washers. One washer goes on top of the drain plug and the other washer goes underneath. So that'll allow you to slide that through with your washer at the top. Goes through the bag, and then there's another washer that goes underneath the bag, and then your clamping screw to hold it on. The little barb at the end can either be left there or removed. We've removed this one if you like. You can see how it's cut off. You can simply cut that with a saw, and that will allow you to use the lock nut and screw and just screw the hose on and off as you need. Otherwise you could leave the hose connected to the bag permanently if you choose to do that. This is the bag and how the hose would look underneath. Not sure if you can see that properly, but that has got the barb cut off and the hose is screwed underneath. So essentially, if you're unsure about those sort of things, refer to the booklet and that'll explain it in more detail, or you can call us and we'll go through it with you.